I'm Tanya Rivera. Before the break, you heard the two leading candidates for governor talk about why they're running, what their plans are to boost the economy, and their position on abortion rights. Now, as we continue this one-on-one conversation, we asked Mark Robinson and Josh Stein how they view one another, and we asked them to address a few topics as well.
I support the Second Amendment. People have a constitutional right to bear arms, to own a gun. But we need to keep guns out of the hands of dangerous, violent people. People who have criminal records, people who are abusing their spouse. We need to have comprehensive background checks to do that. And it frustrates me to no end that this legislature refuses to enact laws to get guns out of the hands of dangerous, violent people. We need red flag laws so that family members can petition the court to temporarily remove a gun from somebody who poses a risk to themselves or to others. So there are some basic safety measures we can take. They will not solve the problem. We won't have an end to gun deaths, but these measures are shown to reduce the number of unwanted gun deaths.
One of the biggest problems that those folks have right now is wages. They are struggling to compete with places like McDonald's and Chick-fil-A and other fast food restaurants that are paying anywhere between $15 and $20 an hour, and they're only able to afford to pay maybe 10 or 12 at the most. I believe as a legislature and as a governor in this state, we need to put our heads together with those folks and others to figure out a way where we can help those small businesses be successful. Because let's make no mistake about it. If you have, great to have the Toyotas, and it's great to have the big companies, but when folks go to work there, they're going to need daycare.
We knew he was singularly unfit to be governor. He says the most awful things about people. He says women are not called to lead, that they only have abortions because they can't keep their skirts down. He called public school teachers wicked, gay people filth. This summer, from a church pulpit, he yelled that some folks need killing. But it's not just what he says, it's what he would do.
Well, I'd want them to cut through all the stuff that they've seen on television. I mean, I'm not shy about saying this. My opponent has been pretty nasty in the things that he said about me. He is cut and pasted my words, he's cropped my words, he's cut out part of speeches and not played the entire quotes that I've made. The most infamous one, the one about the keep your skirt down, which is one that I take high exception to because, you know, it's funny to me, it's never been reported that right after I said keep your skirt down, I said keep your pants up, in the same breath almost.
I have to tell you, there is so much more for you to hear from these two candidates. Both sit-down interviews are ready for you to watch in their entirety, questions and answers. The full-length interviews are on WFMY Plus, as well as our WFMY YouTube channel.